What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy FaTkaT, of course, bringing you another one. So we are here still at Paul's house, getting ready to do, y'all see Model Day Muscle back there, man, with his whip. There you go. Couldn't remember last video, if y'all seen it, we couldn't do the rear diffuser on our car yet because they gave him the wrong part. They gave him the wrong part, but when he ordered it, they didn't know that you had to get either threaded or non-threaded.
I should have did my due diligence.
But you wouldn't know that, though. I mean, there's no way you wouldn't know that. You wouldn't think that the part is the part. And if anything, they should send out both types of bolts because
it has to be cheap. Like
exactly, it has to be cheap, and
it's not like I'm asking for two different diffusers.
Exactly, you know, all you're asking is for a bolt. So they really should send like a kit so you can bolt up to any car.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, for that make and model. But anyway, it is what it is. You know, we're all wishers and you know, hoping for the best. But it is what it is, man. Anyway, so apparently Z01 add-ons, that's where you got it from. So they expect you to know what you have under your chassis as far as, you know, threaded or non-threaded, to be able to bolt the diffuser up. So it is what it is. But his is a 17. We're gonna check that one right there because that's the 18. We're gonna check it in a minute to see if maybe his are different. If it might go by years, we can also Google it. We'll probably do that as well. But we're gonna check it out and see, man. But we're also gonna do something else to this car right now. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's go. Let's get into it. All right. So this is a 5.7.
Yeah. Yes.
Which sounds hella good.
Yeah, the exhaust.
I mean, this thing looks dope too, man. This thing is nasty.
You know what I'm saying? I'm learning about hood pins. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So.
All right, so what we're gonna do to this one real quick, Paul?
Right now, what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna check to see if his cross member has.
Right, the 30, not 30, right?
You guys probably seen that last video.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna just remove these damn caps out of here and give him that real like muscle car look.
So if y'all don't know, man, so the Hellcats come with these already out, right?
Yep.
Are yours out?
That was the first thing I did.
Oh, you took them out.
Yeah.
So it's only the Hellcats that come like that.
Yeah, Hellcats come.
All right, so the Hellcats come. You guys know they come with this.
It's only one side. It's only
one side because there's a there's a tube that goes there. I actually put the tube in mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
normally the Hellcat has one side open,
right,
and then the other side is closed like this. So
I just open them both.
People take both out, just to make it match.
To make it look good.
And then it also helps, I guess, with cooling on the engine itself. And you know, when the side is out.
All right, so that's what we're going. So we're going to show you guys how to do that real quick, man. If you got a Scat pack or a 5.7 or something, or RT or whatever, you know, you could take these out. So we're
I don't know what I'm doing really, but like
quick.
I'm practicing here. I'm just joking, man. I think I know what I'm doing.
So we're about to take out the false headlamps for Greg's car right here.
I guess they just unclip, huh? From what I heard.
Yeah, you have to squeeze the clips on the outside. Just be careful because they're a little
Hold on,
a little fragile. But yeah, we're gonna take out the
there we go.
lamps right here, and that should give him more air into the engine bay, and then more air going to his cold air intake over there.
Boom, that was easy.
Clean.
Yeah.
Damn, so it's literally just
just a cap.
Literally just
it's literally a cap, guys.
You see how he got it out? A lot of people take it out and end up breaking these little feet right here because they're very fragile.
It is. It's plastic.
Yeah, very, very
I thought it was, honestly, when it's in there, it looks like it's a glass, but no, it's just plastic.
So now you could take the. Oh, he's on the phone.
All right, so with the next one now, same. If you guys got a Challenger, all you're doing is you're just picking this up, lift it up, it just pops right out, and then you pull it this way, and it comes right out. There we go. Just set it aside, and then the same thing. You just put your hand in there. And all you're doing is you're feeling for this clip right here, you're just pushing them down and it comes forward. So, put your hand in there, unclip, you can see it probably moving forward. One more. And that's it.
Boom, easy as that.
New mod, you know what I'm saying? Easy mod.
Now it gives it an actual, when I'm saying actual,
so when
but it gives it a more of a muscle car look.
Yeah, that's it.
Then you put the rings in there, like
yeah, you can put the intake rings in
like
there.
Like he has, and you know what I'm saying. And red, cause you got, you know what I'm saying, red on
it. Looks good. It looks good either way, rings or not, because now they just look open. Yeah, but the rings obviously is.
Yeah, the rings really give it that look.
Yeah.
Because now it makes it look like the car has eyes.
You just put it back in.
Yeah, me too.
It pops right back in easy.
Yeah, simple. And then you want to just move the hood latch across to the side to go underneath.
You don't hear it popping, there's something wrong.
I didn't hear it popping.
Well, it's a soft.
It's a soft pop.
Yeah, it's a soft pop. It's not like a
Man, so he's going to check, like I said, he's going to check under this one, being that it's an 18, to see if it's different than modern day muscles called over there. For that
Yo, let me
diffuser.
get my creeper out, man.
Oh, my bad.
No, I need the creeper, man. You ain't never seen a creeper like this before. You know what? I gotta go to my mom's house. I got a creeper there. No, I used to have. Oh, shit. Not threaded neither.
Not threaded neither.
No.
They must have changed them at some point, though.
Now, I
You
know
could
for a
probably
fact
Google
they
it.
said Hellcat threaded all the way through for sure.
Yes, I did.
Man, they said Hellcat for sure. So, I don't know. There you guys have it. So,
So I need one
It's not threaded.
not threaded.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Well, the Greg's 2018 Challenger is not threaded. So, Zach had just mentioned, right, that they must have changed it at some point.
I'm guessing. I don't know for sure. Yeah.
But they had to though. That seems
And that's-
Hellcat is threaded.
Because if it was just Hellcat or not, they would ask Hellcat or not Hellcat.
Yeah.
If it was just for Hellcat.
Yeah, if it was a Hellcat,
You know what would be the simple fix? Just have a list of questions on the website. So
Right.
What type of car do you have?
What
Next
year?
one.
Yeah.
This one you should get, because when I you know, like for example, when I got tire stickers, when I had tire stickers on the car, it asks you the width size of the car, so they tell you like how high.
I mean, there's a lot of ways to do that. Make, year, model, everything else, whatever, and then it gives it hard.
You know, it's just hard because it's like, I don't know everything. You know what I mean? But
Or like I said, the simplest thing is just to send out the hardware for everything.
Yeah.
Like hardware is nothing for these companies. You know what I'm saying?
exactly, it's just it's just metal.
It's 2 other bolts, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? Like the hardware is nothing. So whatever, man. But
Yo, what, man? What's happening? What's happening, man?
But it's all good though. But anyway, so we learned something. But I would be curious to actually Google it. Or the simple thing is, you could just get a charger, and it'll be easy. Yeah.
You want to charge it up? That's what you want to charge.
Oh, we're getting a charger.
You get the charger, you don't gotta worry about it. They're all the same.
You gonna go wide body? 2020? Oh, you want pre-owned?
I'm gonna get 2020, but I don't know if I want.
Well, no, 2020. If it's a 2020 Hellcat,
That's-
it's automatically wide
Yeah,
body.
they discontinued the straight
Yeah,
body.
no, yeah,
Right,
no
right.
wide body. Just all wide bodies.
Yeah, for the
As soon as
Hellcats,
it's
yeah.
Pantera, I'm gonna get the kid.
So y'all look out for
I
that.
don't like the Challenger wide body.
Oh, I love the
Yeah.
Challenger.
Oh, them challenges are shit.
Yeah,
them
I
things
like
are nice.
it.
Them things are nice.
Yeah, we've been looking at
Yeah.
that.
I like the Challenger wide body because they redid the bumper.
They got the Hellcat bump on the
Yeah.
front. Yeah.
They put a different bumper.
The Charger or the Challenger?
The Charger.
The Charger, yeah.
Oh, the Charger. Oh, yeah. Because they got that scoop in the front.
Got a little rumble.
That thing sounds good.
It sounds definitely sound good. Definitely sound good.
That thing sounds really good. That would definitely added a nice touch to the back. I like it. Come on, man. You know I'm low
Of course you did.
Everybody in Central Florida
With the Super Bowl tools, huh?
Super Bowl. Look, that shit's
It's still there.
It got a little bit bigger.
Oh, can I coin that term?
No.
Can I coin that term?
What? The Super Bowl?
The infamous
Why?
Super Bowl of tools.
No, you didn't.
It's still there, man. Look at that.
Nah, I think he said it first.
You got modern day muscle over the leaving, man. But all right, man, that's it for this one, man. Hopefully y'all learned something else. Seen that little mod we did, man. Quick, easy mod if y'all got a challenger, man. So make sure y'all check that out. All right. But that's it for this one, man. I'm about to head back to the crib. Go hang out with the family and everything else. I might be doing something a little bit later. I don't know. We'll see. We'll stay tuned, man. Other than that, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know, man, always stay safe, always stay positive, always stay motivated, all that good stuff, man. Let me go to get into the car. See, I'm driving my wife's car again today. Don't drive my car because it is love bug season, man, so my car stays at the house. But I do turn it on though. Make sure I turn it on now for sure. But anyway, yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Remember, always stay true to yourself. Always stay genuine, because anything else will be uncivilized.